Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we're going to dive deep into implementing smile detection in Java. We'll be using OpenCV, an open-source computer vision library that provides us with tools to work with images and videos. First, let's take a moment to understand what smile detection is. Smile detection is a facial recognition technology that identifies facial expressions characterized by the upward curvature of the mouth. In our tutorial, we'll use pre-trained classifiers provided by OpenCV. Before we start coding, we need to set up our development environment. Make sure you have Java Development Kit, JDK, installed and download OpenCV for Java. You can find it at opencv.org. I'll guide you through the installation step. Once you've downloaded the OpenCV library, you'll find a Build folder. Inside, navigate to Java, and there you will find the openxxx.jar file. This jar file contains all the necessary classes and methods for working with OpenCV in Java. Let's create a new Java project in your favorite IDE. I'll be using IntelliJ IDEA. Create a new project and name it Smile Detection. After that, make sure to add the openxxx.jar to your project. In IntelliJ, you can add the library by right-clicking on your project, selecting Open Module Settings, going to the Libraries section, and clicking the plus icon to add the open jar. Don't forget to also set the native library location to point to the folder where the OpenCV native files are stored. Now, let's get started with our coding. We will create a class named Smile Detector. This class will handle our smile detection logic. So let's create a new Java file inside the src directory. We need to start by loading the OpenCV library. This is crucial as it enables us to leverage the functionalities provided by OpenCV. In the static block of our class, we'll load the native OpenCV library. Next, we'll create a method named DetectSmile that will take an image as input and return whether a smile is detected. But before we do that, we need to set up our classifiers. OpenCV provides a pre-trained HAR cascade classifier for smile detection, which we will incorporate. To find the classifier, you can download the HAR cascades from the OpenCV GitHub repository. Once you have the XML file for the smile cascade, update the path in the constructor accordingly. We will use this classifier to detect smiles. Let's now implement the DetectSmile method. We'll convert the image to grayscale as the classifier works better with grayscale images. Next, we will use the smile detector to detect smiles within the grayscale image. The method will return a Boolean indicating if a smile was detected. Now we have the basic structure of our smile detection functionality. It's important to test our implementation. We can do that by reading an image from the disk and passing it to our DetectSmile method. Let's create a simple main method in our smile detector class for testing. Make sure to replace path/to/image.jpg with an actual image file containing a face. Now, let's run our program and see the results. Congratulations! You've successfully implemented a basic smile detection program in Java using OpenCV. However, the fun doesn't stop here. Let's expand our application by enabling live video smile detection. To facilitate live video capture, we'll create a method called StartVideoCapture. This method will utilize the video capture class from OpenCV to start capturing video from your webcam. In this method, we continuously read frames from the webcam and check for smiles. The console will display whether anyone is smiling in real time. To display the frames, we can use OpenCV's HiGUI class. Make sure that you import the required OpenCV classes for video capture and GUI. Now, let's add a mechanism to close the video stream gracefully. Our complete method to start video capture will look like this. It checks for the ESC key and terminates the video stream when the user chooses to exit. Remember to add this method call in your main method. Instead of directly checking an image, we will call StartVideoCapture now. Let's run our application and test the live smile detection feature. Once the application is running, allow your webcam to capture your image, and let's see if it detects smiles accurately. As you execute the program, observe the console outputs. You should see whether or not someone in front of the webcam is smiling in real time. Feel free to test with different expressions and angles. In summary, we have successfully implemented two functionalities: smile detection in still images and live video feed using Java and OpenCV. This is a great starting point for more advanced facial recognition applications. The concepts explored here can be further expanded upon with additional features, such as face detection, emotion recognition, and more. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial where we'll explore more exciting topics in Java programming.